In this question, they're telling us about two parallel lines, and as a reminder, parallel lines always have the same slope. And they want to know, is this slope positive or negative? Statement 1 just tells us one point that one of the lines goes through, so I can't tell whether that line is rising or falling as it runs from left to right. I just know that it's going through that one point. Statement 2 is basically saying the same thing, but about the other line. So for the same reason that statement 1 is not sufficient on its own, statement 2 is not sufficient on its own. Now when we combine these statements, we have one line going through one point. We have a parallel line going through some other point. Can we now tell whether those lines are parallel this way or parallel this way? No, both options are still possible, and therefore I'm going to go ahead and pick answer choice E.
If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.